Hey guys, this is Cameron Stewart with Fast Cash Home Buyers, and today we're going to talk about how to stop foreclosure on your house. So stay tuned. Alright folks, so today we're going to talk a little bit about how you can stop foreclosure on your house. The last thing that you need, anyone needs in their life, is to go through a foreclosure. Life throws a lot our way, and whether it's financially with our families, just throws a lot our way. And the last thing you need is foreclosure. So we're going to talk about how you can get out of foreclosure if you're going through list pendants or you're about to go through list pendants, and we'll explain that as later. But sometimes we forget that a lot of normal things can put us in a situation where we need to stop foreclosure on our home. You may have inherited a home that has a current mortgage on it. Now that's great in theory, but what if you already have a mortgage on another house that you live in that you're paying on, or maybe struggling to pay on? Those two payments could put you out. Maybe your work downsized, and now you're making less, and those mortgage payments that once were payable for you are just too much now. You're not a bad person for being in foreclosure or about to be in foreclosure. That's not the case at all. But nonetheless, we're going to talk a little bit about today a couple steps that you can take if you are facing foreclosure and if you need to get out of foreclosure. All right, guys, so step number one is going to sound simple, mainly because it is to be honest and get out in front of it with your mortgage company. Call them up, let them know that you're in a situation financially. It's going to be tough for you to make the payments going forward. Let them know what you can do, what you can't do. Let them know that you're interested in stopping the foreclosure on your home, okay? Remember, banks don't have an incentive on owning properties. They have an incentive for you to own the property and pay them for it, okay? So keep that in mind. Also remember that a foreclosure can absolutely decimate your credit. So what you need to do is be open and honest about it, be upfront with it. Most of the time, they're going to work with you, especially in a state like New York. It's very costly, very expensive for a bank to foreclose on someone. They don't want to do it. Trust me, they don't want to do it. So get out in front of it, be honest with your bank. You'll be surprised at how much they're willing to work with you. Now, step number two in how to stop foreclosure on your house is to assess your time frame. List pendants starts when you've missed 3 full payments on your mortgage. If you have not missed 3 full payments on your mortgage, you realistically are not quite there in terms of being legally close to foreclosure. It could happen very quickly, don't get me wrong, but list pendants is a legal process that must start before foreclosure. What you want to do is you want to keep the mortgage company happy. If you can keep them happy while simultaneously being honest and upfront with them and letting them know what's going on and that you want to stop foreclosure, once again, you'd be surprised at how much they're willing to work with you. You may be able to get a real estate agent. A real estate agent might be able to help you stop foreclosure on your home if you have the time. Be sure to assess your time frame in order to effectively stop foreclosure on your house. And folks, step number 3, if you're interested and want to stop foreclosure on your house, give Fast Cash Home Buyers a call. We are actually looking to purchase your house. We buy houses in Utica, Syracuse, and Watertown. If you need to sell your house fast, give me a call. Or honestly, if you just want to know how to stop foreclosure on your house, I'll be happy to give you some advice. So give me a call, 315-351-2772. That's my cell phone. Feel free to text me on that number as well. You can shoot me an email at fastcashhomesny@gmail.com. or simply log on to our website at FastCashHomesNY.com and fill out any one of the forms on our website. Thanks so much for tuning in, guys. Until next time.